Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today I am testing a Porsche 924. This car was built in 1985 and now let's start the test drive. To get in this car, it is real cool, sports feeling. The seating position is really fucking low. I guarantee you it is. So let's start it up. This lovely 4-cylinder engine. Oof, yeah. Old car, let's go. It's quite noisy in here, but I hope you can hear me. Under the hood there is a 4-cylinder petrol engine which produces 125 horses. The engine is powered through a 5-speed manual transmission made by an Austrian company named Magna. Wow, I love this car. It is really cool. It's nostalgic. It's old-fashioned Porsche. You get this motorsports feeling from the 80s. Oh yeah, I love it. Well, I don't know how fast we are, but it's not that quick as it feels because it is so noisy in here and stuff, but I mean, for 125 horses, I think you cannot get a better car. This model is reliable and makes a lot of fun. The interior is lovely, I like it, but I have one small problem. I do not understand why this is possible. I'm in a gear, I'm in 3rd gear. It doesn't matter in which gear I am, you can, yeah, I don't know what this is, but the rest, you got an oil pressure, you got a clock, you got something for your battery, you got a radio, you got heating, you got water temperature, fuel capacity. Yeah, lovely. I love it. Really cool car. I turn on the lights now because this is really a cool feature. They go up in the front. Maybe you can see them. Yeah, and all the way up they are. Looks funny, I think. As I already mentioned, the seating position is really low, but it feels so cool and sporty. Yeah, you like this car. In the first minutes, I guarantee you. The steering is it's not the best, of course, but yeah, what will you expect? This car is really old and therefore the steering is okay. I think it is okay. It makes so much fun, I swear. through this corner. Downshift. Another downshift. And brake. Oh yeah. In terms of sportiness, you do not feel the age of this car, but of course in all the other stuff it gets rusty, and the suspension is not comparable with a GT3 RS, but that's not the point. Oh yeah. Cornering makes a lot of fun. I don't know if you can go slow in this car because it makes so much fun. This car has already electrically operated windows. Of course, there are only front windows because behind there aren't any. But I got seats in the back, so you could carry 4 people. But I am not sure if you will ever do that, because in the rear it is absolutely not comfortable. The engine is mounted in the front, as I already mentioned, and you got a trunk behind you. That's very practical. Over the trunk there is a big glass, or maybe it's made of plastic, I'm not sure about that. But it looks, whether it looks good or not, I won't be able to decide it, but it looks special, and you see this car and you know, oh, here is coming a 924 Porsche along. That's unique. The interior is about to say goodbye, like this wooden trim. In fact, it is plastic and it is going off. Yeah. That's okay. I mean, this car turns 40 years soon. What do you expect? And you will use this car. Don't buy these cars and put them in a garage. That's not cool. Drive them. Drive. If you own a Porsche, drive it like you stole it. coming back to the starting point or to the end, as you see. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe my channel, hit the bell on that you can get alerted when I make a new upload, and share this video. Thanks a lot guys for watching, and some cool cars will come along, I guarantee.